I mean, look at that right there. Tell you what, breakfast smash burgers, where it's at. There's some onion goodness, eggy goodness, cheesy goodness, nooks and cranny goodness. Hey, let's make some breakfast smash burgers over on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. Got a little prep to do, a little preppy action. Going to make a little sauce. It's not going to be anything major. If you don't want to do the sauce, you don't have to. I'm also going to take a little bit of mayonnaise. Use whatever mayonnaise you prefer. I've got my favorites. And just use your favorite hot sauce. A little tangy, a little briny, a little hot, not much. We're just going to mix that up. Ooh, look at that right there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Set that to the side. You know, the meat of choice here is going to be sausage. And use whatever, breakfast sausage you like. And we're going to make that into a smash burger, but we're not going to quite do that yet. But I thought a little bit of onion might be good. Thinly sliced onion smashed right into that sausage. It's going to be good. Let's get these onions chopped up. And the only way I really know how to do that is with a mandolin. And why I chose to do a mandolin, hopefully I'll come back with all my digits. We'll see. But that's a little bit too thick, sorry. A little too thick. I want thin. I want to put this sucker on there because, well, my wife wants my digits. And that's not too bad, but I really want thinner. A little thinner there, buddy. Oh, there we go. You can read the newspaper through that sucker right there, boys. These aren't bad. And I might just go up just a smidge more. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. Now, if you're not a fan of onions too much, omit this. You can also run this through some water in a colander, and it'll take some of the bitiness of the onion out. But I like onion. We got onions, we got our sauce. Let's get our buns ready. And our buns of choice, English muffins. I mean, breakfast. You can do it with a bun. I wouldn't be mad at that. Thought an English muffin would be fantastic. These always say they're split easily, but I always don't find it easy. That wasn't too bad. Just gonna split these open, split a few of them open for you. There, perfect. We got that. We're gonna set our English muffins just kind of over here to the side because it's just like with smash burgers. Everything goes fast. You wanna make sure you have your mise en place ready, all right? I got to get some sausage ready. Put that into a bowl, just like that. Now, I have another pan here that I'm just gonna take, and I'm going for about a 2.5, 3 ounce ball. Just like that. As you're doing this, after about halfway done, or maybe right before, go ahead and get your griddle pre-warm. Going to about a medium heat for right now. It's cold out here, it's gonna take a while for it to warm up. Go ahead, get your griddle pre-warmed at this point, and we're about to get ready, y'all. All right, we're about ready to go. The griddle, you can see a little wisp of smoke coming up. That means it's hot. Everything's ready. It is ready for us. I will say we have a new item from Lowe's that I'm really excited to say. New smasher and a smash guard. And we're going to use both of these. Sausage, I have noticed, isn't like a burger. It doesn't quite get that adhesion to the griddle. So you might have to take, I use my scraper to maybe scrape off of the smash guard. We'll see. It's my first time using this. So what do you say we get started? First things first, I want to add a little bit of butter. And this is just to toast our English muffins. We want to make sure we get those nice and warm. They don't need very long. Griddle's nice and hot. These are perfect. I like to do both sides. I mean, this literally takes less than a minute because everything's nice and hot. I'll put those over onto our cutting board. We will need those right here in a second. Now, we got our sausage balls. Just gonna lay those right there. And I'm gonna make a double. Well, that's just what we do. I'm gonna take my handy dandy smash guard, and I like to kind of rock things around just to make sure you have a nice even patty. And just as I thought, and it's perfectly fine, take your spatula here and it'll come right off. There we go. Check out that. That's all right. A lot better than it's sticking to your spatula. It seems like the more oil that gets onto the griddle or onto the smash guard, Seems like the better it does. So, if it kind of mingles up a little bit, it's perfectly fine. I really like this little lip right here. Makes it real nice. There we go. If you want to use this time to add a little bit of seasoning, I am not. The sausage has just enough. Oh man, look at that Maillard reaction. That's what you're wanting. Want to make a few eggs. We'll go down with a little avocado oil. And this is going to be kind of a crispy egg. And I might even do marbled. Got our buns here. We'll do a little essentials blend right on those eggs. A little bit of our sauce right on that. Next, we're going to add our cheese. Add our cheese right to our sausage. Stack those right there. Booyah, booyah. Yes, sir. Let's flip these eggs. That's what I want. I want a crispy, crispy egg here. We'll take our bottoms. That's gonna be for our sausage patties. Boom and boom. Our eggs right onto that burger. Boom. Take our tops right on top. Nice and crispy, nice and warm. That, my friends, a breakfast smash burger. Woo-hoo-hoo. And check this out. This is the ones because I forgot my onions. Oh my goodness, y'all. What in the world? We're gonna put our onions on this one. I got so excited about that new smasher that I forgot the onions. Let's go. Oh man, I smell those onions. Good thing about putting onions down is it helps protect and the meat does not adhere to your smasher or your paper as much. Oh man, look at that. That's perfect. A little bit of oil down for this one. Put our egg on it. We're gonna make a marbled egg on this one. Essentials, got our buns, put our sauce on it. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's marble this egg. Basically just run our edge of our spatula around, flip it, come over to our burger patties, cheese, boom. Check this out. It looks like a marble. Put that right on our cheese. Let's put that right onto our English muffin. All right, let's head over to the cutting board, y'all. Oh man, look at that. Got a little egg gravy, it already burst. There's nothing more to do here but to give these groceries a try. I want the onion burger. I want the one with the onions. That's what I set out to do. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. It's super cold out here, so things are setting up really fast. Give us a try. Cheers. Oh my God. Got something right here. The sausage with those onions is spot on. I mean, it crushes this. I never thought that combo would be just super, super good, but it is super, super good. The egg's not quite all hard. You know, the yolk still got a little bit of juiciness to it. English muffin is a must. It's kind of hard the exterior because we toasted it really good. Holy cow. This is so good. I think you need to make this for yourself. I promise, I think you'll enjoy it. Y'all, I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you watching. Head on over to Lowe's, check out those new items, that new smasher and that smash guard. I think you'll like it. I really enjoyed it on this cook. And yeah, make these breakfast smash burgers. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. This is some good groceries.